Hey guys, welcome to Karma TV. I'm Karma, and today I'm going to tell you how I plan to grow my YouTube channel. Roll the intro. So I thought of a few ways to grow my YouTube channel in 2021, and this is, after years of streaming on Twitch and building up some viewership on Twitch, I've decided, of course, to leave the Twitch affiliate program, and there's already a video on that, so feel free to watch that. But today I kind of want to go through my roadmap on what steps I plan to take on getting to 100 subs. That's usually the first mile marker for YouTube channels, is the 100 subs. It kind of gives you the ability to go ahead and create a channel name for yourself, and instead of this jumbled string of letters, pretty much, which is what it is now. So yeah, we're starting at 100 subs, and then we'll work our way toward YouTube partnership, which is 1,000 subs and a whole lot of hours watched, but in due time. So the first step on my roadmap in 2021 is to stream at least 3 times per week. And you might be questioning, why haven't you tried streaming on a daily schedule or kind of a strict schedule to begin with? That's how a lot of YouTubers and Twitch streamers grow. Well, to tell you the truth, I'm a full-time employee, and streaming just doesn't give me the income that I need in order to quit working and be a full-time streamer. So I'm not willing to lose that yet, and if one day I make it big on YouTube or Twitch, we'll consider it when it comes. But for now, I plan to stream 3 times a week and stream a game that's not too saturated, but enough saturation that I have the ability to collab with other streamers and hopefully grow my channel that way. Twitch has 0 discoverability, and there's just no way to be found on Twitch unless you network and meet other streamers. So step 2, I left the Twitch affiliate program, if you don't know already, and it's because of the exclusivity of being only able to stream to Twitch. Now that I've left the Twitch affiliate program, I can now stream to both Twitch and to YouTube in hopes to grow my audience on 2 platforms as opposed to 1. Why might you want to go to YouTube and not just Twitch? And it's simple. It's really because Twitch has no discoverability, while YouTube has tags, thumbnails, and an algorithm that all try to bring audience members to your channel based on what you display in your video info. So really, it's a no-brainer. Use both Twitch and its community as well as YouTube and its algorithm to help build an audience. Restream.io lets you stream to both platforms at the same time, and it's free. It even lets you stream to Facebook or LinkedIn or any other kind of streaming platforms like Periscope. Step 3, creating evergreen content. I'll have something on the screen to show you what evergreen content is, but in simple forms, it's content that stays relevant for a long time, and it could be as simple as, how do I do X, or how does somebody do Y? Educational content, guide content, and it's content that will have a long shelf life and hopefully help my YouTube channel grow. Step 4 is to take advantage of the YouTube algorithm. And if you don't know what the YouTube algorithm is, there are plenty of YouTubers who already cover this topic. But what I want you to do is to remember that the world runs on analytics. Think Amazon Web Services. Think about every time you watch a sporting event on TV, they show some kind of statistic and some stats on that play. Maybe someone made a really low percentage play that we've not seen in a long time. But in today's world, we run on analytics. There are 2 free tools that you can use today that you add to your browser called vidIQ and TubeBuddy, which give you analytics at your fingertips. And having these analytics at your fingertips gives you the power to determine where you might want your video to fit in, or where your tags can make the most impact. Step 5, try something new. Create a Patreon. Patreon's a place for your community to support their favorite content creators, and it's also a really good place for content creators to support their community by giving back. So Patreon is something that I'm going to be trying It's something new I've never done before, and I'm excited to see how it turns out. To wrap up this video, I just wanted to give you guys some advice, and it's just don't be afraid to hit record. Don't be afraid to get out of your comfort zone, and don't be afraid to fail. We all fail sometimes, and the best failures are ones that you can learn from. The best mistakes are ones you can learn from. The greatest mistakes are the ones that you can learn from. Best mistakes, the greatest mistakes. The best mistakes are the ones that you should learn from. Just learn from the mistakes. And if you don't know, I stream on Twitch. I'll leave that in the link below. And if you haven't already subscribed, it would really help my channel if you subscribed and hit that like button. Please feel free to share this video with anyone else you might know growing a YouTube channel in 2021. And really, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you guys being here and hearing what I have to say.